So this is what medieval times is looking like in the back these days. Now it might still be popular, but I got a feeling by the looks of what's here that it's maybe struggling a little bit. These buildings have definitely seen better days. It looks like they maybe had shops or something here at one time. See, medieval village doesn't look like as much of a village anymore. So, Christina, where are you today?
We are at medieval times.
Medieval times. You step back in time if you're at medieval times. And you just
Not a
looked it
bad
up.
thing.
I don't know about
Stepping-
medieval times.
Well, no, stepping back.
That
in
might be a
time.
little rough.
Stepping back in time with our e-bikes.
Right. So how much is it to go to medieval times?
I think I just saw it was like 65 or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are here out on the bikes. Yesterday we went to a Buddhist temple. Today we're at medieval times, just riding around. And Liz actually has a moat around it with a giant drawbridge. I'm sure it's functional. All the flags. And we were going to try to come to this time. I always thought that would be very cool. Okay, we're by the $15 helicopter tour place. And it's right by the campground. This is what we hear. We just saw one of their $15 tours, we figure. We don't know if this is a $15 special. No, they're already going too far. The $15 special took you over here, over the road, about to that orange sign, and then back. Yeah, this one's, they must have upsold them on this one. Well, they're turning. This one definitely went further though. Yeah, this one probably up to 25.
Per person.
Okay, per person, I'm sure. Oh yeah, that one wasn't much longer, was it?
A little bit.
It seemed like a little longer. Maybe these people were nicer to him or gave him a bigger tip. So they took you down there, which really isn't very far. What is that, quarter of a mile? And then they fly you right over the top of 192. And it's windy. Of course, you're taking your life in your hands paying for this. And then he's gonna turn around. Comes in pretty fast. Watch this. He turns around. There he goes. And then he lands. So we're thinking that's probably the $15 helicopter ride. But we will stop in there one day and look into it. There it is. Another happy customer. So if you're enjoying the videos, folks, please like, share, and most importantly,
Subscribe.
have a great day.